friends, today I'm gonna tell you about the alkali metals. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the alkali metals. The alkali metals is a group of elements in the order lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium, rubidium and francium. These are the elements there. Now sitting underneath hydrogen, like very quietly, are the alkali metals. So this is group number 1, set number 1. In the periodic table group, this is the lower one and set. So you might need it in the other sets. So on groups. So this is the group called the alkali metals. So these are very soft ones, like in their pure form. They can be easily so soft that they can literally be cut by a knife. So if we get it, it can easily be cut by a knife if it's pure. But that's very hard. It's very hard to find it in nature, but in their pure form. You can find them in nature, like rarely in their pure form, very rarely. So they're usually mixed with other elements, say potassium, chloride, which is commonly referred to as salt. So let's come on, not potassium, that was sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is referred to as salt. So let's start with the first one, lithium. Pure lithium is so light that it can float on water. Then this is a silvery metal. So it's kind of a silvery metal and it can tarnish in seconds. So we need to keep it in mineral oil. Like if you have some pure lithium and you just keep it outside, it will tarnish. It will go dull, very dull. It's quite silver. I'm sorry. So if you preserve it in mineral oil, it was discovered in 1817. So if we preserve it in mineral oil, then only it can stay from tarnishing, or else they can easily tarnish. So in 1817 it was discovered, and lithium has a wide range of commercial uses today. So it's like in trains, it's a lightweight alloy. You can make aircraft, so maybe dog fighters, because it's lightweight and then quite strong. Not as much strong, I don't think so. So I mean, it's used for manufacturing airplanes and trains, maybe cars also. And it's also a key element in rechargeable batteries. You have also seen in some phones in the olden days, the battery was like unchargeable, or like when the battery was broken. These days, so we have smartphones which you have to open up. In the olden days, there was a big phone, like small phone with the keypad one. If you remove the back, then there would be a battery. If you would read it, then in some of the newest models before smartphones, it would be written lithium-ion batteries. These are the batteries which are rechargeable and are widely used in modern electronic devices such as smartphones also. Not only lightweight and small, they also help us use our mobile phones a long time between charges. And then this is a very funny one thing. You can see lobsters. Now if you do a test of them, like what they are rich in, well, you may find out that common lobsters are very rich in lithium. The reason? Because common lobster absorb it from the water. Well, salt forming water, as you know, is like bit in sodium. Sodium also comes in the alkali metals. We come to lithium. Sometimes minerals containing lithium dissolve easily in water. So there's this in nature, lepidolite. Lepidolite. Wow. This violet pink mineral, like it's a sort of rock with violet pink. It's a mineral actually with violet pink scale-like things. It comes from the Greek words lepidios, which means scale, and lithios, meaning stone. So as I already told you, it's because it sometimes grows scale-like plates on itself. Then so these minerals like lepidolite easily dissolve in water. That's why the common lobsters like soak it up. Like if you watch Ben 10 Alien Force, maybe you might see that Kevin just touches some sort of metal and then it absorbs The same way, the lobster just absorbs it from the water. That's why they're lithium rich. So, anytime you find pure lithium, quickly put it in mineral oil. So, for today, I think that's enough. It's getting late. So, meet you next time. Bye.